Today we'll briefly look at copper dressings. Copper, like many other metals, has antimicrobial properties. As you know, silver dressings are commonly used when we have bacterial overload. But recently there have been emerging concerns about silver because some bacteria seem to be able to become resistant to silver. This was something that has been debated for a long time, but there's many studies showing now that especially strains of Pseudomonas and E. coli and Acinetobacter baumannii can develop silver resistance. And even more concerning is that some theorize that this silver resistance can also translate into resistance against antibiotics. So this resistance is not widespread, but it means that we also should have some sort of stewardship towards silver products. We should use them when we really need to and not use them longer than we need to, just like we do with antibiotics. In the past years, there's been growing interest in copper. Copper has the same antimicrobial properties as silver, maybe even more potent. But in addition, and this is important, in addition, it also does something positive for the cells in the wound. It stimulates angiogenesis. It stimulates keratinocytes and other cells in the wound, and it seems to have a positive impact on inflammation. Copper is a natural compound which we have in our bodies, which is important for many enzymatic functions, while silver is a compound that we do not have in our body naturally. So there are many reasons to maybe make a switch towards copper in our dressings, and to date there's no known resistance against copper. So really, copper seems to have many advantages over silver. Currently, there are not many products containing copper, and there's really only one product that dominates the market, that is MedCU. MedCU is not a completely new product. Some countries have already used this for several years, but it's not really a well-known product so far. But with the emerging evidence against the possibility of antimicrobial resistance to silver, this product becomes more and more interesting. We have just recently received our first batch of MedCU dressings, and I'm excited to see how they perform in the patients we'll treat from now on, and I'll keep you updated about our results.